मसालेदार मिर्ची फ्राई।
One cup of besan. Half cup of tamarind pulp. 1 chopped onion. Half tsp of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of Amchur dry mango powder. Half tsp of zira cumin powder. Half tsp of baking soda. Take a mixing bowl and add the besan. Add salt. Add turmeric powder. Add red chili powder and mix. Gradually add water and make batter. Add baking soda and give a nice mix. Perfect consistency batter is done. Leave for 10 minutes. Take clean thick green chilies and slit from center. Remove seeds. Chilies are ready for stuffing. Transfer tamarind pulp in a plate. Add chopped onion. Add salt to taste. Add zira powder. Add Amchur powder. Give a nice mix. Add tamarind masala pulp in chilies. Masala stuffed chilies are ready for frying. Heat oil, coat chilies with besan and dip them in oil. Fry them on medium flame. Flip on other side and fry. Fry until they turn into crisp and golden brown. Remove them. Crispy mirchi is done. Fry remaining mirchi. Crispy and tasty masaladar mirchi is ready to serve. Do try this recipe in Ramzan. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.